This alone, but united, we can at least make a dent. So I want to thank you immensely for this gospel, because that is where to go. Well, I said today is not my day. You know, I have just turned, and a few days ago, I became an orphan. My dad died a few days ago, so I'm not yet. This is my first public outing, and so if you look at me, I'm not in the mood to speak today. I'm not in the mood to speak today. I'm still mourning, and by the time we finish the mourning, then I'll be in the mood to speak. Then for our students, what do you want me to say to you? What do you want? I'm not hearing you. Aha! Oh my God! Thank you immensely. If it's a road, now listen to me. You're listening to me. You are not yet aware. And because once you said this, what you just remind me is that as I leave tomorrow, we'll go on inspection. Because that road, if it's a road all the way from Amansi through through the student hostels down to Aroma, about 15 kilometers of them was awarded 2 months ago. We've just awarded the contract, so we are coming there on what? Inspection. But let me tell you, my fellow students, I will give you something more than if it's a road. You will have something more than... How many of you here are from Anambra State? From Anambra State? Are you really sure? Okay. I have good news for you. If you are from Anambra, we'll have a special day when I will unveil our special in the month of February. Are you hearing me? Oh, is there any of you going to graduate before February?
Yes.
Who are those going to graduate? If you are going to graduate before February, then which one? No. I tell you what. I tell you, our agenda for human capital, for our students, for our youths, we've had an agenda for those in primary to junior secondary, for public schools. We're trying to rebuild our public institutions. In a few days' time, I will be visiting Olumbanasa, a community in Anambra West that I understand no governor has ever been there. These people have been left behind. Our government is for those who are destitute and suffering. And that's why we're going to do Ifite Road. And for you, the students, we have had a program for the primary school through secondary school, and we haven't finished with the secondary school. We'll still finish up with them early next year. But when I say I unfold a comprehensive agenda for our education and human capital, total human capital program, the date for that, unfolding the entire thing, and we have a special huge program for those of you. I'm going to Ibarriam tomorrow. We have a special program package that will unfold. That's palliative for you. Okay. In February, we are going to get that. The full program will be unveiled in February. And I will not want to begin to preempt it here. But let me say this, because you are looking at me, where is that our president? Presido. He said he's not going to give us, so is there anybody that I will give there? Oh! Okay. Okay. This one is ambush. This one is serious ambush now. VC Bianso. The question is how we reach you. We're just looking at the number of you here, and probably 1,000 or thereabout. Nanya, wait. Who? Huh? What are they? Are you hearing me? Are you saying that we shouldn't give anything here? Okay, because I thought that's what I just wanted to say thank you very much and leave. And then you started. Okay, now, what are we supposed to do? Okay, thank you. I think what we'll do, students, like you said, from here, we are supposed to go and take lunch, isn't it? And I was told that is for those of us exco here. But at least for the rest who have come for the this is our students thing, you can have something to go to Mama Ngozi's do we have that? Do we want that? If that is what we need, then the SUG. My fellow students, are we there? We have now consulted, because this is like this is an ambush here. But I would rather love to really get out there, because this is my constituency. This is where I love to get out there and let's go and eat Nanke Mama Ngozi. But I was told that the best way to do it is to give something to the Fossa. Okay. Now, okay. Fossa President. Okay. When we finish, are you listening? This is, this kind of more reminds me, it just takes me back to those days. Oh, yeah, today, tomorrow no more. If I die today, I will die no more. Then the other one, solidarity forever. Aluta, Fossa President. Get there? Where is it? Yes, yeah. Get here, where is it? Okay. I think what we'll do is that, for the lunch of the faculty, students, and whatever, we will give the Fossa president, I live here, I give him 5 million for all of you. Give you 5 million for all of you.
No solution, no, feel like this. Solution on your Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Solution. Thank you very much, Your Excellency.